Time you sign in, you may see some getting started stuff. If you guys want to do the account thing and connect to your Microsoft accounts, feel free. I don't do that. I just say not now. You can choose whatever theme you want for the development settings, Visual C++. I'm just going to take the default and hit Start Visual Studio. Might take a few minutes, as it says. Once it starts up, it's going to look something like this. And to create our first C or C++ program, we're going to go to File, New Project. And from the menu, make sure Visual C++ is highlighted on the left. Select Empty Project, and we're going to give it a name. You can call them whatever you want. Let's pretend we're in week 1 of a course. We could call it week 1. This is the directory where this project will be created. Go ahead and hit OK. And it's going to create a Visual C++ project for us. And when it's done creating the project, this is what it's going to look like. As we chose, it's an empty project, so there's no files in it right now. So if you highlight source files, you right click, choose add new item. We're going to choose a CPP file, and you can call it whatever you want. Just make sure it has a .cpp extension. It's going to create a C source file for us, and this is our workspace. So here's where we actually enter our code. So I'm just going to create a quick little hello world program. This is kind of the C version, so we could say printf hello world. And you can give it a new line, and if we run as is with this little green button up here, it's going to pop up and say, would you like to build it? I usually just want it to build it, so I say don't show this again. I want it to automatically build it. You'll notice it's going to build the project, which is compiling the code above. And first time you do this, it might take a minute. And you'll notice there was a black little output screen that flashed up there quickly and then disappeared. That was our console screen. There's a little trick we can do to keep that to stay. If you include the IOStream library, which is a C++ library, and you include this system pause command, you'll notice our black little console screen actually stays up now with a press any key to continue prompt. And we have hello world. If this was a C++ program, we could start, the code would look like this. These are just two simple little Hello World starter programs, one for C course, one for a C++ course. They both do exactly the same thing. Just make sure you're using the proper code depending upon what course you're in. And that is your first program. So you would find this .cpp file and attach it to your assignment submission and upload it for grading.